Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the Mahindra XUV300, which has just recently scored full 5 stars in terms of safety in the global NCAP crash tests. The Mahindra XUV300 is not only the third made in India product to score a full 5-star rating, but also the highest scorer in adult and child occupant protection. These scores are definitely higher than that of the Tata Nexon and the Tata Altroz, which were claimed to be the safest cars tested by global NCAP in the Indian market. As standard, the Mahindra XUV300 comes with dual airbags, ABS, EBD, all-wheel disc brakes and ISOFIX child seat mounts from the entry-level variant itself. Whereas the top-spec W8 optional variant receives 7 airbags, electronic stability program, traction control, and a 3-point seat belt for the middle passenger in the rear seat. So that was all about the Mahindra XUV300, which is the new king of 5-star safety in the Indian market. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Mahindra XUV300. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.